Me need 3 fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and for this video I have some more nasty foods from TikTok, and with me I have my co-host TNR Reactions. Remember, go over to TNR Reactions and More, subscribe to his channel. He got a lot of reaction videos. You won't be disappointed. Alright, now before we get to the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get to it. I call this one bland poison because that's exactly what I see.
That's supposed to be chicken and rice?
Yeah, that's supposed to be chicken and rice. The chicken got no seasoning whatsoever because I know y'all see how white that is.
Daypoopy.
Daypoopy.
That makes even more sense.
Right. Alright, next video.
So the sink wasn't enough, huh?
I guess not. I don't know why they think doing anything food related in the toilet is okay. Disgusts me.
How much germs that touch now?
Exactly.
Why shouldn't? Yeah, right. Like, nasty.
Not okay.
Happy Saturday, everyone. The crazy lady's at it again with the crock pot. Tonight we're going to do...
So just so y'all know, this is that lady from, she's been in a couple videos. This the one I'm going to call CPS on because she keep cooking some nasty food for these kids. So let's see it.
Corned beef and cabbage. So it's a boiled dinner where I'm from. We're going to add...
That's a family group?
Yeah, well, I forgot what holiday they do corned beef and cabbage here. This corned beef, not our corned beef.
Not alone.
No. St. Patrick.
That's all?
Yeah, St. Patrick.
And our seasonings. Throw in our cabbage.
Yeah, but
that's not nearly enough seasoning for all that corned beef.
What kind of seasoning that for?
Right, with all those balls.
Balls.
No, sir.
Add in our carrots. Throw in our potatoes.
Lord have
Add our
mercy.
seasoning packet.
Still not enough seasoning.
So I will create the packet. Like, where that come from?
No clue. No clue. No, potato, yeah.
Look, so?
The red Irish potatoes.
Small, so?
Yep.
Cover with water and let cook for
Lord have mercy.
5 to 6 hours.
Not even,
Cook to perfect.
Always.
not even a little salt. Salt, y'all, specialty. Not even to add some salt. 5 hours.
Perfection in 5 hours.
Cabbage for 5 hours?
What the cabbage itself? What looks up?
Well, I mean, I know.
Hours. Doesn't this look good?
No. No. No.
The fillet.
All
different video.
Yeah.
I have to do now is put it in the oven and let it bake a little bit.
I want a chicken.
That, first of all, I don't know. It's chicken wings. I don't know what's underneath the chicken wings, but it looks like vomit.
Just run a frog that.
It look like frog too.
And macaroni that in whatever.
I don't think that's macaroni.
I have did the finished product. So
The finished product. Or finished.
What this do? What But it's supposedly chicken now.
I don't know. I don't know.
Vomit.
Yep.
What's up?
I wouldn't eat this.
Going to stick it in the oven and let it bake. Ta-ta.
See this is why I don't
You realize that the thing is still on the garlic? They didn't take the trash off. Is that what you call it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the garlic still got the thing on there.
with white people. This is why I don't with white people.
Water. Disaster. Lord.
That look like something which should be in a Thailand video.
Yeah.
Wow.
Straight to the trash.
And she come on TikTok with that.
Right.
No, I'm not embarrassed. No ambition.
No ambition.
No ambition.
No, sir. Some of these people don't even need to be in the kitchen.
My oxtail
I got beef with this person right here. It's a bonus video. If I see her, I'm gonna punch her in the face. Y'all just know that.
turned out great. Look at those butter beans.
I don't even know what to call it. Is that soup or?
I don't know. But first of all, the butter beans been in there too long because it's what you call it? When you cook it for too long, yeah, it's too soft to the point that they mash out. So this not supposed to eat. Girl, shut up.
Oh, I know what I'm doing.
No,
I know what I'm doing.
No,
Hey,
you do
attention
not.
all Jamaicans. I'm coming for you guys.
I know she's not gonna come for Jamaican people.
Oh God!
Go for the Trinidadians or something. Don't come for Jamaican people, okay?
To all my Jamaicans, all my Jamaican representatives, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Stitch this, duet this, and show us your frustration because I am furious and I'm not Jamaican. So I can only imagine how Jamaica's feeling right now. Miss Lady, I don't know what you thought you was making. I don't know what that is. That's not oxtail. I say all the time, please stay away from Caribbean food if you could not make it correctly. Yes. You did not get the memo. So all in favor of bashing this lady's cooking, banning her from the kitchen, and having her no longer touch Caribbean food, please say aye. Please say Please tell me something because that's not making no sense at all. No, I done. I can't do it.
Wow. Disrespect. Why they always feel like they can come for our food? Don't play with us like that.
Yeah. That's it, guys.
Yep.
See the beautiful videos.
Hope y'all like it.
None of this nastiness in your house. If you do, send us the videos. We can react to
Right.
it.
Don't send it to me because I'm gonna embarrass y'all. Just know that.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.